Hello, this is Patrick from Speculative Science. This video is a fictional educational wildlife simulation based on scientific research. No animals were harmed. It's designed to explore predator-prey dynamics in nature.
A high-flying eagle spots a thick-bodied python sunning on a branch. This epic air versus terra face-off spans sky and jungle. We'll watch the battle on neutral ground, then see who wins if the eagle has the advantage, and finally the python's terrain. This fight blends biology, speed, vision, constriction, with sheer brutality. Don't miss the thrilling climax. Neutral territory, Riverbank encounter. Beside a jungle river, a golden eagle, wingspan approximately 2 meters, weight approximately 4 to 5 kilograms, looms overhead as a reticulated python, approximately 5 to 6 meters long, 75 to 100 plus kilograms, lies coiled on a branch. The eagle has devastating talons, grip force approximately 300 to 400 psi, and a beak honed to rip flesh. It can dive at incredible speed, up to 150 plus kilometers per hour, from altitude. The python, however, outweighs the bird tenfold. Its muscular body can squeeze prey with tremendous force, enough to crush bones, and its jaws unhinge to swallow large animals whole. The eagle dives, talons first. The python launches a strike to defend, aiming a mouthful of teeth. Feathers and scales collide in a spray of water and feathers. The eagle tries to grab the python's head, while the python coils fast around a branch, trying to entangle the bird in its rings. Each backs off, the eagle circling above, the python coiled for another strike. Eagle's advantage, open clearing. Now imagine an open clearing near cliffs, perfect for the eagle. It starts high, locking eyes on the python like a heat-seeking missile. The serpent on the ground is isolated with nowhere to climb. The eagle stoops, talons extended. The bird's strike is devastating. It clutches the python's head or neck, puncturing vital organs with sharp hooks. The python wraps out of reflex, but the eagle flaps and lifts. Eventually, the python slips from its strike, but the eagle is relentless. It soars upward with the python dangling. The serpent struggles 10 times its body weight to break free, but gravity and distance work for the eagle. Eventually, the predator drops the python into the rocks below. The snake is broken, and the eagle triumphs from the sky. Python's advantage, jungle thicket ambush. In the dense forest at twilight, the roles reverse. The eagle's vision in dim light is not as sharp, and maneuvering to dive is hard. The thick canopy favors the python. The snake silently drops from above, coiling around a branch. The eagle lands to investigate movement. The python strikes with lightning speed, but misses the bird's neck. It strikes again and again. Even as the eagle flaps and hops, the snake's coils wrap around its legs. The eagle counters with stabbing talons, but one foot is held fast. The python's hold tightens inexorably, squeezing the life out of the bird. Talons and beak slash desperately, but the strength of the constrictor is overwhelming. In minutes, the eagle goes limp. If this scenario shocked you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Conclusion: the high-speed ambush versus crushing coiling. Each fighter shines in its element, but this neutral battleground shows nature's ruthless balance. What do you think? Eagle or python? Who wins? Comment below. Don't forget to like and share this epic animal clash.